Because we put a lot of premium on our security, whether personal, at home, or in the community, it's very important to make sure that we are updated with the latest security systems available in the market. Watch this video so you can decide which one you think will best meet your needs. 1. Taiso Tire Killer. If you need to protect a target in challenging circumstances, or if there is a significant distance between the control unit, this tire killer will be very useful. Its operational temperature range is between 140 and -40 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can be controlled up to 328 feet away. The steel construction can be positioned in a small nook or as a speed bump. Single and double-sided variants of spikes are offered, and their heights range from 3 to 14 inches. The barrier can support a 20-ton axle load and can be raised and lowered in less than 2 seconds. 2. Taiso City Light Speed Bump. This speed bump's manufacturers claim it to be the most adaptable in their line of vehicle blocker, given that it's simple to install either permanently or temporarily. Apart from that, the manufacturer is prepared to create speed bumps of any size you require. There is a hydraulic device integrated into the body's protective rubber coating, and the customers have the option of selecting a model with lighting and a rising time of 1.5 seconds. Additionally, some models don't require any construction work and can be set up in a matter of minutes, which makes these perfect for festivals, fairs, and other similar events because they can be simply linked into already existing access control systems. 3. Bat and Shield. Alarm systems, according to the manufacturers, often only alert you to a break-in. Bat and Shield, on the other hand, allows you to do several things at once, buying you time to call the police, lowering the likelihood of a break-in, and enabling you to barricade yourself in a space like the bathroom. The system is capable of securing both private residences and public buildings like schools, hospitals, shopping malls, and offices. There are numerous universal sizes, and even a youngster can trigger it. The manufacturer is also equipped to handle special requests. 4. Belay Door Security. Another item to help you feel secure is even more straightforward door locking system. It is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, making it convenient to bring on excursions for work or leisure. According to the manufacturer, the recommended distance between the door and the floor is between 0.19 and 1.18 inches. Installation is quite easy. Slide the stopper under the door carefully, then screw it in place. The flooring is unimportant. The installation will require the least amount of time and work. Although it is acknowledged that the design is imperfect and that it does not fit all doors, at little over 0.6 pounds, it is light enough to fit in a backpack. 5. Barracuda Intruder Defense System. The creators of the Barracuda line of locks note that they sought advice from a member of the Special Forces Squad when building the lock. The locks are made in the USA. The installation is quick and simple, which is the main benefit. The models in the series work with both outward and inward opening doors. Additionally, they can be attached to doors closers. Arrows on the body of the lock make it simple to position it. The locks don't need expensive maintenance, and they are less expensive than complex locking systems. The installation is simple and doesn't require any special skills or tools. A wall rack is also provided for storage. 6. Barricade Box. There is another kit available to improve your security. The cable is made of Kevlar, has a tensile strength of more than 2,000 pounds, and is flame and cut resistant. It's easy to use and takes only 7 seconds to prepare, making it perfect for colleges and schools. In addition to the handle, the cord can also be wrapped around the door closer. Furthermore, the system's creator is sure that it works regardless of how the cord is wrapped, and the manufacturer claims that it is simple, more approachable, and more reliable. It is simple to use. Simply attach the cord to the metal base adjacent to the door handle and install the unique coil. All you have to do to secure the remainder of the rope to the base in an emergency is wrap it once or twice around the handle. 7. Brinks Door Security Bar. The makers of the security bar provide yet another method for locking doors. It is a 2-in-1 design that works with both sliding and hinged doors. The steel tube may be modified from 25 to 43 inches and can support up to 300 pounds. There is a pivoting leg included for simple installation. It won't harm the surface because of the padded grip, and it works flawlessly even on the slick surfaces like tile. The top bracket is similarly made to avoid scuffing up the door. Due to its small size and light weight, it can be kept immediately next to the entrance or in a pantry closet. 8. Power Bar Safety Bar. This technology would have worked very well for Kevin McAllister in Home Alone. If only it was already available then. It is quite straightforward, appropriate even for glass doors, and simple to install. The company came up with a simple solution and provided consumers with standard safety bars. This product's benefits include low maintenance requirements, longevity, and basic construction. You can paint this set yourself or purchase one in the desired color. As well as its compactness and understated design makes it one of the simplest yet efficient security device available. Additionally, you can attach the bar vertically or horizontally. A single set weighs 7 pounds. There are 3 colors and 7 different size options. The manufacturer says it's a cost-effective approach to consistently protect your loved ones. 9. Boss Security Screens. These security screens will protect you not only from irritating insects, but also from bigger, unwanted intruders like burglars. They can be used on windows and doors and can withstand strikes from hammers and knives. The manufacturer specifies that every order is processed separately. High levels of security are provided by special screws that are entirely concealed from the exterior. There is a special latch that even the elderly can use to open the screen if necessary. This design makes it simple to clean both the product itself and the windows, as well as to leave the room quickly in an emergency. According to the manufacturer, the screen can resist Hurricane Category 4 missile hits, which are equivalent to winds of around 155 miles per hour. In addition, the manufacturers think that their security screens can last even longer than your home. 10. Riot Glass. Store owners with large glass showcases will love this idea. These storefront windows become a target for robbers and thieves, but this anti-vandal glass was created to safeguard your possessions. People tried to break the glass with bats, hammers, and even a sledgehammer, but failed in tests and in real life. Because the glass has a unique layer that keeps its shape and strength even after numerous shots, even a gun is worthless, unless the customers pause to admire the items on the exhibit. This product appears on the exterior to be any average piece of glass. The company develops a unique business proposition for each project after carefully considering all the specifics and then creates a personal commercial offer. 11. ZASP Hydraulic Automatic Bollards. These bollards are used for protection against cars. The Chinese manufacturer offers a variety of alternatives, including automatic, semi-automatic, and manual models, and sells them straight from the factory. One of the variants is capable of withstanding a 75-ton truck traveling at 50 miles per hour. The manufacturer claims that the system will resist roughly 300,000 cycles, with an elevation time of 4.26 seconds. The backlighting option is noteworthy, and the model has also been given a rust-proofing treatment. You may choose the ideal design for any setting with the aid of several color options. 12. Heald H21 Raptor. This is a series of retractable bollards that can stop a 7.5-ton truck moving at 50 kilometers per hour, while still protecting pedestrians. The bollards will continue to work following the impact, allowing emergency vehicles to pass. Both a manually controlled and an electrically operated version of the system are offered. The enhanced height of the bollards is 39 inches, and there's a space between them for bikes and pedestrians. The device takes 4 to 6 seconds to activate, and the maker also offers a specific detecting system and the option to purchase the bollards separately. Additionally, the system blends in with the urban design once it is constructed.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to our Tech Guys channel so you won't miss all the new videos that come out every other day that are all about tech news and reviews from just some tech guys. Tech you out next time.